Hello and welcome friends. Today in this video what I'm going to talk about is Apple iPad Pro 5th generation Apple Pencil. Okay, so let's begin. Alright, so what I have is Apple iPad Pro 5th generation. This is 12.9 inch Wi-Fi plus cellular, 128 GB. And what I also have along with it is Apple Pencil. This is 2nd generation Apple Pencil. I have purchased this from the Apple Store for 1,20,000 Indian rupees. That's 120,000 INR. And this I have got for 10,000 INR. Alright, so we'll open this up and review it. Just to let you know that I've already opened it in the Apple Store and I've got the screen guard fixed on it. So I'll just show it to you. Alright. Okay, so here's the iPad. This is in silver color. Okay. This is the iPad. Okay. So if you check, it's in silver color. There's Apple logo behind it, and then we have dual cameras. I'll do a complete review video of this. However, this is just an unboxing video, so I'll show it to you. Complete aluminum body. Just to let you know that this is 12.9 inch iPad Pro, Wi-Fi plus cellular. So we have SIM slot here. If you check, this is a SIM slot wherein you can put in a SIM card. And also what we have in the box is the charger and the C-type cable. Okay, so here's what we have in the iPad Pro box. What we also have here is the Apple Pencil. We'll open it up and review it. So here's the pencil, Apple design in California, and here's the iPad Pencil. Okay, so that's what we have here. So friends, this is a complete setup of 1,20,000, 10,000 and 5,000 for the screen guard, and another 10,000 for the cover. So what we'll do is we'll do a complete review video of this, and we'll show it to you. We'll tell you how this 1,20,000 feels in your hand when you hold it. So in the next video what we'll do is we'll do a complete review of it, and which will be there on the channel. One more request: if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, do hit the like button. Thank you so much.